Yo, what's up guys? This is a returning customer. And the car broke down in Klia airport. And customer states that when start the car, it couldn't turn on. Sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. So the issue lies between the battery and the alternator. So let me show you. I have started the battery and put the positive here and the negative in there. The battery is like 11 volts, so it's not charging. The location of the alternator inside there, behind the aircon compressor. So you know why. I have already confirmed with the new battery with my other car. Same issue, 12 volts, supposed to be 14 volts. At least. I will do the service on this car and change the alternator, and I have to send the car back to showroom. This is the new alternator. Proton Savvy variant. And Mizu engine oil. Fully synthetic with ester based. This engine oil is very good at cleaning sludge and bring back good performance of the car. And this is the oil filter. I have installed new alternator. And this is the old Alternator. I have done the oil filter. Let's check out the battery. I have started the engine. Alternator is charging. Very much charging. Negative side is a bit loose. I need to get new multimeter because of this. But the multimeter is showing charge. Great job. So finally. Awesome job guys. We will see you on video for the next Savvy. Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. Thank you very much.